Hi everyone, I am Hannah.
And I'm Laurie.
And we are Journey with the Gingers. We are currently sailing on the MSC Seashore on a 4-night cruise down to the Bahamas.
In this video, we're going to share with you a room tour of our cabin. And this is not any ordinary cabin. This is a new experience for us. We are cruising in the Yacht Club on the MSC Seashore. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel if you'd like to join our community.
Let's get started on a room tour of a balcony room in the MSC Seashore Yacht Club, room 16018.
This is a room tour of room 16018 in the Yacht Club on the MSC Seashore. When you first walk into the room, on the left, you have this little glass shelf and a little storage area. We just put our luggage there. Also on the left, you have your first of 2 closets. When you open the closets, the light automatically comes on. There are plenty of hangers, a shelf at the top, and there's a little shoe storage at the bottom. By the door, you have a slot to put in your key that will keep your lights on. There's also a main cabin light switch. And these switches right here tell the room steward that you do not want to be disturbed or you're ready to have your room made up. You also have the first of 2 thermostats, and we'll show you where the second thermostat is in a minute. And this is the light switch to go into the bathroom. There's 3 of us, so we have 3 Yacht Club robes. Now let's go into the bathroom, and the bathroom is a lot larger than the normal bathroom on a cruise ship. Going to the bathroom, on the left you first have some shelves. And on the right you have this really nice large shower. The shower has a rainforest head, and it also has a wand. The shower also has a bench. For your wet swimsuits, you even have a pull-out clothesline. And these showers in the Yacht Club have the Med Fig Fragrance shampoo, hair balm, and shower gel. There is a cabinet below the counter in the bathroom that has a lot of toilet paper right now, but you can use it for storage. And of course, you have a sink and you have a toilet, and you also have Yacht Club towels. There is a shaving or makeup mirror. Under the sink is more storage, and there's also a wastebasket. Coming out of the bathroom, to your left, you're going to have your Nespresso machine, and of course of water, still and sparkling. And below the Nespresso machine, we have some shelving. And the vanity area is very large with a big mirror, which is great for 3 girls going on vacation together. And right now we have a piece of luggage under there, but there's also a trash can and a stool. To the right, we have a large bed, but we're going to ask the butler to separate the beds into 2 twins. And the beds have these wonderful Yacht Club sheets. Beside the bed, you have these wonderful night lights, and we all love to read, and so of course we have reading lights. And beside the beds, you have 2 end tables with drawers. And coming to the living area, there's a very large television. Below the television, we have shelves, and let us show you what's in the cabinets. In the first cabinet, we're going to pull this out. There's some wine glasses, coffee cups, Pringles, nuts, bottle opener, all that. And I think once you ask for these to be replaced, you have to purchase them. So the first ones are free. And there's more plates, and there's some cappuccino cups, espresso cups, and whatever you need. And there's some teas. And one thing we really love is the stock refrigerator. We have teas and juices and beer and sodas and tonic water and regular still water, sparkling water, and the Toblerone you can eat, but if you want it replaced, you have to pay for it. Under the television is this nice counter area. For the plug situation, we have 2 outlets, 2 USBs, and we have a little bit more in just a minute. I'll show you. And we have still and sparkling water that is included in an ice bucket. There's a minibar menu. We do have all our drink package, but yeah, if you want to order more, I guess. And then of course a welcome aboard letter. You have a wireless charger. Sorry, it's a little bit dark here in the corner. And a phone. Behind the phone, we also have these European outlets, and we do have an adapter so that we can make use of the extra outlets. Now we're going to look at the sitting area. This couch will actually be folded out to a bed for one of us because there's 3 of us in this room. But it's a very nice, comfortable couch with some turtle art. You also have a shelf that kind of separates the living and sitting areas. The second thermostat is located in the sitting area right by the couch. I'm not sure if they really do control the 2 separate areas, but we just made sure that both were set on cool. And this was waiting for us when we arrived. It's very pretty. Little swan with the rose. And there's also an extra chair. And when we have the couch fold out to a bed, we'll add that to this video right here. And next to the vanity area is this very nice second closet. You have a hanging area, a shelf at the top, and you have all of these drawers, which are very nice. And then you have, whoops, light came on, and then you have a safe as well. And yes, the light comes on with the doors open. That was just a delayed reaction, I guess. And now let's step out to see the balcony. The balcony is very spacious. It comes with 2 chairs and a table. And of course the best part are these stunning views.
We hope you enjoyed this room tour of balcony 16018 on the MSC Seashore in the Yacht Club. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you have not followed our channel already, we invite you to subscribe.
We are covering a lot of information regarding the MSC Seashore, and we've done so in the past. And if you are wanting to book on an MSC Cruise Lines ship or experience the Yacht Club for the first time like us, Laurie here, my mother, is a travel agent.
Yep.
Her information is in the description below. Well, we hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget
To journey on.
Bye.
Bye.
If you like this video, click on the video to the left, and don't forget to subscribe to Journey with the Gingers.